Now, of course, tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day, and while you may have celebrated over the weekend, there's more fun to be had.
Shamrock Club of Columbus, the parade they hold is tomorrow morning downtown. It starts at 11:30. If you're out tomorrow, it is important to be safe. 10 TV's Carly Dion has the increased effort from law enforcement to make sure you get home safely.
Enjoy the festivities, look out for one another, and make the choice to get home safely.
According to the Ohio State Highway Patrol, 16 people lost their lives over the past 5 St. Patrick's Days statewide.
Drunk driving has a very, very deadly, life-altering consequence, but it's also 100% preventable.
OSHP's data also shows over the past 5 St. Patrick's Day holidays, there's been more than 3,000 crashes statewide and more than 300 OVI arrests.
I want to find out what was the average BAC on fatal alcohol-related accidents, and it's actually 0.15. 0.15, you might think, takes a lot of alcohol. It really doesn't.
Franklin County Sheriff Dallas Baldwin says that's why they ramped up patrols ahead of the holiday.
On St. Patrick's Day itself, the Sheriff's Office, all 3 shifts will be taking part in a zero-tolerance traffic enforcement blitz countywide related to OVI enforcement, reckless driving, careless driving.
Which is why law enforcement officials say it's not worth the risk, even if you feel capable of driving after a couple drinks.
The person involved in those accidents, more than 50% of the time, they don't think they've had too much. They feel fine. They've had an evening out, they've had a couple of drinks with their friends, they've been there for a couple of hours, and they think, well, I don't really feel that bad.